Hello world, it's me Ramesh here. In this video we'll be seeing how to download Docker and set up Docker along with WSL, which is Windows subsystem for Linux. So first of all we need to download Docker desktop from any browser. So I'm going to type download Docker. So here we can see a website www.docker.com. So click that link. So when you open that link, this page gets loaded up. So here you can find a button which says download for Windows. So any operating system which you have. So it automatically senses what operating system you have. In certain cases, you can manually select the operating system which you have. So I'm going to click download here. So the file will start downloading. It will take some time. Once the file gets downloaded, open the downloaded file, which is the Docker desktop installer. At the beginning, it asks for two configuration checkups. So one is install required Windows components for WSL2, which is compulsory, and another one is to add a shortcut to the desktop. This is up to your wish. So after giving your configuration checkups, click OK. Docker desktop installer is unpacking files now. This will take some time. Now we can see that the installation has succeeded. So now you can go ahead and close the Docker installer and open up Docker desktop. So now here you can find a Docker icon below in the status bar or something, whatever it is. So at the beginning, it asked for a service agreement. Let's go ahead and click I accept the terms and click accept. Okay. So here we find a warning which says WSL2 installation is incomplete. When we give the configuration, that is we added that install WSL2 along with installation of the Docker. So it has just done the installation part of WSL2. Now we have to do the update part of the WSL2. So in order to do that, so here they have given a link which gives a detailed documentation of how to do that updation. We can click that link. Just drag this and keep it to our side. Okay. Download the latest package. Let's click this link. This says us to download a file, which is the WSL update. We can save this file. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and open the file. Click OK. That's it. The update setup wizard is now completed. Go ahead and click finish. And after that, we have another step. Set WSL2 as a default version. PowerShell, it's a PowerShell command. So for that, you should be opening PowerShell. Better you run PowerShell as an administrator. Okay. Now PowerShell has opened up. Let me copy this command. Okay, fine. This operation has completed successfully. And here, if we just close Docker and restart it again, we can see that Docker will be running. I'm just closing Docker now. I'm reopening it. Sometimes you won't get that, so better to restart your system and see it again. Okay, fine. Now I have rebooted my PC. Now let's go and open Docker. Okay, now here you can see that Docker is now running actively. Then that's it. Now the Docker is successfully configured with WSL2. Now it's running actively. So in order to check whether Docker is running in your system, you can go ahead and open command prompt. Just give the command docker space hyphen hyphen version. Okay, on giving this command, we get a response docker version 20.10.12. If you get this response, then you have successfully installed Docker and configured. Thank you guys. Hope you found this video useful. Until then, it's goodbye from Ramesh.